Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act now. Verify your MIUI and Android build so fixes match your phone. Once confirmed, backup photos to My Cloud or copy to a PC. You don't want to lose data. Next, force stop the camera app and clear cache and app data from Settings app's camera storage. Doing that removes corrupted temporary files that commonly cause errors and lets the app start from a clean state before deeper troubleshooting. Once the app is cleared, reboot into safe mode and test the camera to identify third-party interference. Safe mode disables add-on apps so you can isolate the problem. Make sure camera permissions are all enabled. Camera, storage, microphone, and location. Lack of permission often triggers errors. If you sideloaded camera APKs or recent updates caused issues, reinstall the stock camera APK from a trusted source, or roll back the recent update through MIUI Updater to restore a stable service. If software steps fail, run Xiaomi's hardware diagnostic to check camera sensors and modules. The code or settings diagnostics will report failures. If diagnostics indicate a hardware fault, back up your data and perform a factory reset to exclude software corruption. And if it persists, contact authorized service for module repair or replacement. Finally, as a last software measure, apply the latest OTA or flash the official stock ROM. Make sure you follow Xiaomi's instructions to avoid bricking the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.